Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Naa Dedei again. So in today's video, as you can see, I'm already with my natural hair and all that. So I'm going to give you at least 5 styles that you can use for your everyday day-to-day activities. And then I'm introducing some products that I've been using for my natural hair for a very long time. So I have We Naturals over here. I have almost all their products and all that. So this is their sheer butter. It's like whipped sheer hair butter, and then this one is their leave-in conditioner. So I've already done the washing and everything, and it's a little bit dry. So I'm just going to put these two products into it, and then I'm good to go. So I'm almost out though, but I have a little bit that I can use. That so just a little because. I'm adding the shea butter. I'm not going to be using any styling gel whatsoever, so I have to incorporate brushing out the edges and all that. So for this hairstyle, it's a very simple step that I'm going to. So I have my scarf here. It's a very long one. So first off, I'm just going to put it all around, and then I start pulling it. So for this hairstyle, we are starting with the frontal afro. Yes, we are starting. So this is style number one. Okay, so for the second one that we are going to try, we are just going to push it all the way back, just a little. So watch. So the way we do it, or the way we did it in the beginning, this time is going all the way to the back. So you can already tell the difference between the two that I've done so far. So this is how it looks like. Yes, this is how it looks like. Very, very simple. To the third one. So for the third one, we are just going to divide the hair into two. So I've dissected the hair. just leave a little bit of hair here, and then you're good to go. So you can just, or you can even put it here. So style number 4. So for this one, I've already dissected the middle part. It's not perfect, but it's okay for this style. Okay, so this is the style. So this is style number 4. So style number 5. So I want to say a massive thank you to you all for watching my video. I do hope to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications and leave a wonderful comment for your girl, Naa Dedei. Do have a wonderful weekend. Bye.